At the beginning of the race, and rolls it up in the victory lane here tonight. Left auto body repair, Cyborg detailing, also CRS Precision Fabrication, by the bookkeeping services, along with Oldguard Auto Sales, GNR, Flooring, Truck Service over there in Austin, along with Cruisin' Racing and Letterwork, Sign City, Peterson, business here in Decorah. All right, we'll get Josh out of the car, get a few comments from him, and it'll be set to go with our next feature here tonight. Thanks to Dave's Pizza, also Custom Billing Service, Cheer Winners. Thanks so much for stopping the show here Saturday night. Josh! Good to see you, McCoy! Yeah, it's been a couple fights anyways. We've had some good runs. All these guys are good competitors. They're all fast. It's awesome running it. Yep, it's been a really good track. Everybody's been commenting on that. It's really fast. You have Fleming, he was sticking right with you. Not giving up with that last restart. You pulled him ready, and he just didn't get you. Well, I saw those on the bottom side there a couple times, and it was a good clean race, and I knew that, I gotta get on the bottom. Well, started fifth, doing hard, doing good, doing clean. Congratulations, your first run here in 2024 in Decorah. Thank you. And I'd like to have everybody give a round of applause for Wes. He does an awesome job. He keeps you guys entertained. Thanks for the fans coming. Thanks for everybody that helped me out. Thanks for coming there. We come here and have fun. That's what it's all about. Ladies and gentlemen, picking up his first win. Here's the Racing Racing 2024 driving on work to anyone the big relay. That's the THEMOSHOWCHICAGO from Decorah. Big victory, big win here on the Saturday night of the Memorial Holiday Weekend. Thanks so much for coming out here. Like I said, you're seeing the best of the best out here today at the track, folks. Wherever these guys go, if they go to specials, no matter where they're at, they get back, like I said, with the trophies and the checks. They're winners, and you see perform out here, showing your talents of racing here at the Racing Raceway tonight. We do it not just this Saturday, we are like this every Saturday night, everybody. Come on out and enjoy the show. Holler at me at 6:30, racing at 7. Here's the lineup in the Z13 out of Russia, Minnesota. Zach is here. In the 35 out of Rochester, Minnesota. Tony Blue. In red number 2, the 59 out of Minnesota City.
What's up, KO? I see you out there, KO. Gratitude, my brother. Gratitude. Gratitude, KO. It's going down.
Victor qualifier. Tankers could put up your list of stars just from Panko up there, our last week's feature winner. Off of the outside there in the 24. Dakota Henry, the 1R is Colin Rain, our first feature win here. And Tony Blue. Owen Bowl, out of walk down. All right, here we go. Lights out.
What up, KO?
We got the first win on this class in the Rushing Race 2 weeks ago. Great crowd, great car count here tonight. Our largest car count and largest Grand Slam of Tennis 2 in 2024. It'll keep on getting better and better and bigger as the summer goes out, screws out. Continue the race. He's out of the Europe, rookie driver in this new class here in 2024. Curtis Henry needs to push back to the pit area as we get him lined up. He gets have to go back to green. With John Elsing out of St. Charles, Minnesota. Leading the way, Mason Stockhausen out of Mason City, Minnesota. Here's that 59 is Tony Blue. Here's the 35. The 24 and for number 18, Owen Bowl out of Lock On. All right, we're set. Caution light is out. So we go back to green here in our Echo Mod 2024 class here at the Winnebago Raceway. All right, the big stop making up for the yellow. Stockhouse is good strong. Elmer. In the P4, Junior Boyer. Outside of him, driving the 74 will be Josh Hart. And roll number 8 in the Pizza Ranch, which construction number 33 JR, Taylor Donlin. Outside, driving the 95, Sean Hughes. Roll 9 in the 4, Trevor Fitz. Outside the 14, Arthur Schott. All right, ladies and gentlemen, everybody up on your feet. Nope, not yet. Next time around. 28, Justin Hansen. And now row 10, and then Bernie Olson in the 53B. That is your whole lineup. And the Truckers and Motors USA Hobby Shots here tonight. And it's great to see, like I said earlier, father-sons racing here. We got 2 sons. Max Jones in the 26. That's Dad who won the heat race earlier there in the stock car division. That's his son, second year of racing. They're from the Carquest store over there in Waukon. Great people. And the other father-son, Taylor Dowland, running up 33 JR here in the hobby stocks. And his dad, of course, Kevin Dowland, and the stock car 33. It's a family fun sport right here. And what is your race like? Break down the racing clock, the lights are on before we turn them loose. One more time around the way it looks. Was very strong last week, was pretty good in the heat race. He's got the pole here, the 808. See what he does on